Oh, Donnie's here. Donnie! Wait, let's see. Oh, he's here. Okay, narinig mo yung mapapaos ko ng boses. Hello? Hello?
Hola.
Hi! What's up? Wow, no reveal.
Oh, kanta ka lang dyan. Kanta ka lang dyan.
Ha?
Kakanta ka ba?
Wala na akong boses. Kanina
Ako
pa
na.
ako kumakanta.
Hi, everyone.
What's up? They're asking me to play your wings. I'll play it while you're here.
Go do it.
Okay. Are you still there? So what's the inspiration behind this?
Life will get better, and Your wings are just there. You just have to get ready to fly. Ganun. Parang your wings are always there, but there's always gonna be that point in your life where you're gonna have to fly, and it's gonna happen. Grabe, hindi ka naglalag ngayon ah. Solid ah.
Yeah, ano nga eh, miracle.
Ang galing.
Di ko alam. Feeling ko, it depends kasi kung saan ako. I don't know. And no one's using the Wi-Fi, so I guess that's one of the reasons why I'm fast. Well, it's a good song. So nice. Plus, I feel like this pandemic, people think na parang life stopped.
Yeah.
Right? But guys,
Exactly.
life goes on.
Everyone feels like it's so slow, and sometimes like
You feel like
there's many situations that you make up in your head, diba? Tapos minsan, kini-question mo yung sarili mo kung, you know, talaga bang worth it to, yung mga ganun. Pero, ayun, it's just like a reminder. And what's cool is, since it was accidentally released, I didn't really have the time to promote it. But then a lot of people said that for them it was the perfect time. Kasi it might have been an accident for me, but not for them kasi parang they needed it at that time. Think, listen. In the night I lie and look up at you. When the morning comes
I
up.
sang that song earlier.
Oh, you were?
Yeah, I was. So nice. Fan ka na rin ba ng BTS? Wow! Oh my God, guys. May isa pang army.
Uy, wag baka i-bash ako. I like this song. It's good.
I think for me, I've
Huh?
been an army for almost 5 years, I guess. Jello is here. Pakitin ko si Jello. Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba ng nakaka-joke lang?
Ano to?
Jello. Jello, ano? Jello, umakit ka dito. May kasalanan ka sa akin, Jello. Ayun. To those people who are wondering how long have I been an army, it's been 5 years already. 6 almost, I guess. Ever since they had their concert here.
Hello.